All right, finally figured it out. This is version 18.00.008 of Techstream, okay? Notice I'm in ABS VSC track live, okay? Now, what you're going to do, first, if you follow the instructions, it'll say, go over here, reset the memory, okay? Just double click that. Come on. And it'll come up with this question, right? So you push next, then don't drive it yet. The instructions say to drive it, but don't drive it yet. Do you want to exit? Yes, I want to exit. I'm just showing you guys, okay? Don't drive it yet. Okay, after you reset the memory, then go over here to test mode. Double click that. Shit, sorry. Test mode. Come on. Okay. Now it's going to say all this stuff. Okay, now to enter test mode, this is all you're doing. This is what the wire does. Okay, the wire that's on pin 12 in your DLC connector just puts it into test mode. That's all it does. This is how you do it in Techstream. So I'm going to click next. Make sure you meet all those conditions. Next. Wait for 5 seconds. Now, see how those lights are blinking? That means I'm in test mode. That's all that means. Now, you can go ahead and do your crawl control if you have it, or downhill assist, right? So you're going to push that button and make sure that light comes on. When that light comes on, just while you're pressing the button, that means it's ready to receive the input, right? So then the instructions say go low, low, medium, 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 high, then back to low. Then you're still in test mode. Oh, flipped over to the manual there. You're still in test mode. See that? Still in test mode. Shut it off. This is what worked for me. Like 3 minutes ago. Now start it back up. Let's see, hopefully I don't have any lights after doing it again. Okay, now, okay, we can cancel this. We're done with test mode. Yes, exit test mode. Okay, we don't even need Techstream anymore. But now we got to go finish the other step up here. Under 0-point calibration. Right here. Let's see. Check that it's in park. Okay, look at this note. This is where I got this. Calibration cannot be performed. Okay. So here's the last thing we got to do. Drive vehicle straight ahead at 25 miles an hour for more for at least 10 seconds. We haven't done that yet since we cleared the 0-point data when we reset the memory. That's it. You reset the memory, put it into test mode, verify the lights are blinking. That's how you know that's how you know you're in test mode. Then do your crawl control or downhill assist, whatever you got. And then go drive it. And you're done.